Blood rain refers to a rare phenomenon where rainfall appears red, resembling blood. Historically, people often viewed it as an omen of war, plague, or divine punishment. Ancient and medieval accounts. References go back to ancient Greece and Rome. Roman historians like Pliny the Elder mention showers of red rain, which were feared as signs of disaster. Medieval Europe also recorded multiple incidents, often tied to superstition and prophecy. Scientific explanations. By the 17th and 18th centuries, scholars began seeking natural explanations. It was later understood that blood rain is usually caused by dust or sand, often from the Sahara Desert, carried long distances by winds and mixing with rain, giving it a reddish color. In other cases, microalgae spores have been responsible for this effect. 2. Morning glory cloud. The morning glory cloud is one of the most spectacular and rare meteorological phenomena on Earth. It is a long, tube-shaped roll cloud, sometimes stretching up to 1,000 kilometers long, 1 to 2 kilometers high, and only a few hundred meters above the ground. These clouds appear to roll across the sky, often in a series, like giant sky waves. Morning glory cloud is most famously seen in the Gulf of Carpentaria in northern Australia, especially around Bucktown, Queensland during September and October. The exact cause is complex, involving sea breezes, humidity, and mesoscale atmospheric waves. 3. The Great Blue Hole is a giant marine sinkhole off the coast of Belize, in the Caribbean Sea. Here are some key facts about it. It located about 70 kilometers, 43 miles, from Belize City, near the center of Lighthouse Reef, a small atoll. The size is roughly 318 meters, 1,043 feet, across and 124 meters, 407 feet, deep. It was originally a limestone cave system during the last ice age. When sea levels rose, the caves flooded and collapsed, forming the circular blue hole. From above, it looks like a perfect deep blue circle surrounded by lighter turquoise water. 4. A bright red lake can refer to real-world phenomena or artistic/fictional concepts. A few notable real examples. Lake Natron, Tanzania. Its high salinity and alkalinity allow red halophilic, salt-loving microorganisms to thrive, turning the water a striking red or pink. Laguna Colorada, Bolivia. A shallow salt lake in the Altiplano. Its vivid red color comes from algae and sediments. Flamingos feed there, creating a surreal landscape. Salt ponds/evaporation ponds. Artificial salt flats and ponds sometimes glow bright red due to halobacteria and algae, like Dunaliella salina. Bright red lake might symbolize something eerie or surreal, blood or danger. 5. A sailing stone, also called a sliding rock or moving rock, is a natural geological phenomenon where rocks move across a flat, dry lake bed, called a playa, leaving long tracks behind them, without any human or animal intervention. The most famous example is in Racetrack Playa in Death Valley National Park, California. For decades, people were puzzled by how these heavy rocks, some weighing hundreds of pounds, seemed to sail across the desert floor. This mystery was only proven in 2014, when researchers captured the stones moving on time-lapse video with GPS trackers attached. During rare rain, a thin layer of water covers the playa. 6. Eternal Flame Falls usually refers to a small but unique waterfall in Chestnut Ridge Park, near Buffalo, New York. What makes it special is the Eternal Flame, a small natural gas seep located in a tiny grotto at the base of the falls. Visitors can see a flame flickering right inside the waterfall, fed by natural methane emissions from the ground. The flame sometimes goes out, especially in heavy rain, but hikers or visitors often relight it. It located at Orchard Park, New York, in Chestnut Ridge Park. The natural gas seep keeps the flame burning. It about a 1.5-mile trail, moderately challenging. The waterfall is roughly 30 feet tall. 7 Door to Hell is a massive, continuously burning natural gas field in Turkmenistan's Karakum Desert. It's about 70 meters, 230 feet, wide and 20 meters, 66 feet, deep. In 1971, Soviet geologists accidentally drilled into a natural gas cavern. The ground collapsed, forming a crater. To prevent methane from spreading, they set it on fire, expecting it to burn out in a few weeks. Instead, it's been burning for over 50 years. At night, it glows like a giant fiery pit, earning the nickname the Door to Hell. It has since become a major tourist attraction, even though the Turkmen government has considered closing it due to environmental concerns and wasted gas. If you find this video educating, please subscribe, comment, like, share and press the notification button for more of it kind. Thank you.